The magic of SEO, how to get found online. Ever wondered how websites and videos get found online? It's all thanks to SEO, or search engine optimization. Think of it as the compass that guides you through the internet's vast sea of information. Search engines like Google use special algorithms to find the most relevant content when you search for something. SEO is the set of tricks and techniques that make your content more appealing to these algorithms. It all starts with keywords, the words and phrases people type into search engines. By including the right keywords in your content, you increase the odds of your website or video popping up in search results. But SEO isn't just about keywords. It's also about creating top-notch, valuable, and interesting content that people want to see. It's like having a treasure map and an amazing story. When you get SEO right, your content can shine in the online world. So, if you want to ensure that your website or videos get noticed, understanding and using SEO is the key.